right, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, all right, make sure, one thing is to make sure instead of having publish here, make sure you have update, all right, because we got updating on form somewhere here in the submit button. Right here, we got update. So make sure that in your update underscore product, you have update right here. All right, so let's go to edit product.php. Make sure you have some PHP tags here, by the way, but we're going to be doing some functionalities here anyway, so we're going to be adding PHP tags right now. All right, so we'll call this function first if we wanted to, but anyway, we can put that at the end later. We need to check on this edit product to see if we have a product, right? So if it's set get request ID, then we'll have a product, right? And we can display this product right here. Now what we need is a query. So let's query the database. We are a beautiful function, and say something like select all from products where product ID equals, and then we'll concatenate here our function scape string, and we'll clean that data up. There we go. All right, so that's the data that's coming from the URL when we come to this page. So once we have that data, what we can do is confirm, of course, make sure that that's good. All right. Now we got to loop through our information, right? So let's go ahead and find a function that has those values. So we are displaying everything from product. Let's find products. Command F, and there is a function that we are using in the products page right here. It's called get product in admin. All right, let's find that. Get products, find again, and find again, find again, product in admin. All right, so this one is bringing in some information, even though we're not showing a lot of information here. All right, we are going to be using some of this. So what I can do is, actually, we can't use that one. Let's use something else. Let's use add product. And I'm gonna do something here that will be a little different. So copy all this information. Let's go to a new file here on the editor. Let's go to find and replace. We're gonna be replacing everything that's on the post for $ROW. Replace. As you can see, everything was replaced. And then here, proto image, we only need to go inside to get a proto image like that. Product image, because we are referencing the database. All right, let's go back to edit, and we're going to write our while, and let's close it, open it right here, and paste all that information there. And then here we're gonna say row, actually not row, and then we're using our function fetch array. We're gonna fetch through the results right here. Beautiful. All right, now we get all that data out and we can display somewhere. All right, now keep in mind that you can, if you want to, just because we're not looping through this more than once, all right, display this information. All right, so let's say, for example, that I want to display the product title. We could come here, and in the value, if you don't have this value attribute, make sure you put it there, value attribute. put the PHP in there and do echo, do product title there, and let's go and check this out to see how this is working. Let's take this one out of here first and update. Let's actually call this at the end right here, at the end right here. Oops, jeez. This function, let me see, we can put this function here and it doesn't, I don't think it would cause a problem. Let's check it out. Enter. Oops. Confirm on line 9, forgot a semicolon probably. Right here, see that? Make sure that you have that there. Enter. Unexpected I on 19. What else? 19. Here we got a curly bracket that we're missing inside here. Beautiful. I love PHP, right? There we go. And now we got the product title showing right here. Isn't that beautiful, right? We could do that. All right. And this is cleaner. All right. So now we got to actually do the rest. So here is the product description, and we can display the product description right here inside the PHP text area. We can say product excuse me, description. Let's see if it does have a description. You can see it right there. Beautiful. Excuse me, I need some water. All right, and the product price. There we go. Echo. We got, I see the product price there. All right, I see this problem right here, so I'm taking that off. Underscore. Make sure you put your semicolon in there, and I can just copy this a couple times just in case, so that way I don't have to write the whole thing again. It's a pain. All right, what is it? Oops, we got a problem here. There we go. All right, this is the short description. We'll paste that in there, and I think this is called short. Yep, that's what it's called. We don't need a value actually here. All right, what else? Product categories, we're showing that that's fine. Product quantity, paste quantity. What else? We are missing the image. All right, we could, if we wanted to, display a little image below here and put a BR tag in here, and we could display an image. Why not, right? Oops, we don't need a. All right. Cool. All right, let's see how this looks right now. Enter. Alrighty, look at this. This is looking beautiful, right? The only thing that we don't got is the image. Alright, so the image, if I remember correctly, we need a function to help us out, right? So let's go all the way to the top here. Right here we could just say product image, display image. We'll take the here, we'll take this. All right, we'll come down. This product image, by the way. Do this and do this, and then resources. And come back here. Check this out. Oops. Product image. Where are we? Spec element. we don't have the image name in there. You see that? Uploads, and then it doesn't have the image name. That's because we have display image or display product. Let's find out the name of that function. Keep forgetting the name of it. Display, actually it is display image, and that's the right name of it. Let's do it inside here. Let's check it out. There we go. Need to have it inside the loop. My bad. Let's make this a smaller, okay? So let's go all the way down. Width, and let's make it 100. I think 100 is a good size. And let's do 200. There we go. 200 pixels. Beautiful. Now we're looking good, right? If we click update and we say products, the product has been updated. We need to change this S here. All right. All right. So let's say some products. Let's put an S here. It says product is being updated, but it looks like it's not doing it because we don't see the change right here. So we'll debug it some more on the next lecture, okay? And we'll find out what's really happening. All right. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.